Hey everybody, it's time to paint the interior walls. The paint I'm using is satin latex and I'm using a small paintbrush only because I have better control of it than a larger brush. You could also use a foam brush or a small paint roller for these surfaces. You'll notice I'm wearing a latex glove on the hand that touches the pieces. This isn't necessary of course, but it's my preference because I tend to get a lot of paint on my fingers. The reasons for painting the interior walls are that it will seal the MDF, and it provides a base for installing tape wire if you're going to electrify your house, and it also provides a base for wallpapering. If you're not going to electrify your house or put up wallpaper, go ahead and paint the walls the color you want your room to be. And of course, painting now before the house is assembled is much easier. And just a comment about wallpaper, you can put it on before you assemble the house. It's fine to do that, but my preference is to do it after the kit is assembled to avoid seams showing in the corners of the room and the wallpaper not matching up properly. Plus, there is a possibility of damaging the paper when the walls are installed. After painting the first coat, I sand the pieces using 150 grit sandpaper. Be sure to wipe off the dust after sanding and wait about 3 to 4 hours before painting the second coat. After the second coat dries, sand the walls with a piece of a brown paper bag, which will give the walls a nice soft finish. It's such a great feeling having all the walls painted, until you realize you have to do it all over again on the second side. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again.